Hey there everybody, it's me Cody on Microsoft, where today I'll be showing you build 16193 as part of the Fall Creators Update. This build brings several interesting new features and several new bugs to watch out for. Previously called Project Neon, Microsoft continues the implementation of what we now know to be called its Fluent design language. This design language will be spreading through the OS in the next several months. We'll see all sorts of cool things like acrylic material design or new animations that tie together the Windows experience. In this build, we have a whole new Photos experience with a completely reimagined user interface. The landing page has been renamed to Explore, which contains a list of all your photos and videos sorted by date, with options for thumbnail size at the top. Huzzah! At the top of the Explore page, you'll see a carousel of different items called the Discovery Bar. This bar shows different buttons and actions for things, like a button to add source folders, some automatically created albums, suggestions, or even an On This Day page that shows you everything you did on this date through the years. When you open a photo, you'll see that the whole photo viewer has been reorganized. The navigation has been moved from the bottom to the top center, and the editing tools are now combined into a drop-down menu with colored icons. And the Add to Album button is now called Add to Story. More on this in a moment. For as long as Windows 10 has been around, people have asked for a search bar in the Photos app, and Microsoft has finally delivered that. This search bar rivals the functions of Apple's new Photos app and Google Photos, with intelligent searching algorithms that can recognize people, places, and things. Simply search for something, and Microsoft Photos will try its best to find what it is you're looking for in all of your photos. A lot of these search and tagging features are brought in from the already existing OneDrive photo technology, and several other new technologies that Microsoft has demoed in its Build 2017 conference. The next tab over, Create, contains a new feature called Story Remix. Story Remix is an extension of the vision of the Photos app shared with the world when Windows 10 was first being developed. Similar to albums, stories are automatically crafted videos of media in the Photos app, with unique soundtracks, themes, and transitions applied to make them come to life. Editing a story brings up a whole new UI. You'll notice an acrylic blur in the background, and these sections look somewhat like cards with drop shadows. We have the collections on the left, the video preview on the right, and the timeline at the bottom. It's literally a spitting image of Windows Movie Maker. You can scroll through and drag items from the collection panel into the timeline. You'll get some cool new animations that reflect Fluent design. Once items are in the timeline, you can move them, select them, or change how long they display in the video. You can apply filters to the photos, custom text, and even change how the picture is animated in the video. This is to me very exciting, as a modern take on Windows Movie Maker is something that I've been waiting for a very long time. Right now, the experience is fairly limited and is a bit buggy. Windows Movie Maker may not have been the most powerful video editing tool in the world, but it was a tool that captivated the minds of early creators. Seeing all of this so early on into this update, I'm tremendously excited to see what Microsoft has planned for us over the next 6 months. Make sure to subscribe to us and check out our website to keep up to date about this update process. What cool things are you looking forward to the most in this update? Tell me in the comments below. This has been a quick build update video with me, Cody, on Microsoft. Thank you, goodbye.